Reform version 1.1 brings two main customer requested enhancements. The first is the ability to change between the normal, looped, and offset modes on the fly when dragging out the initial reshape. Use the key presses displayed in the Astute Buddy panel whilst you continue to hold the mouse button down, dragging out a new reshape. The second improvement allows the reshaped element to be created as a new path, leaving the original path as is. With the Cyan Arc element in this design, by dragging out a new reform profile, it's now possible to hold down the optional Alt key when clicking on the Apply button in the Reform panel. By doing so, a new open stroke is created using the stroke color of the original. The new artwork element can be selected using the native Direct Select tool, then colored and styled as desired. This also applies to offset or looped modes where the resultant reform will be a closed shape. For this example, the optional Alt key will be held down whilst pressing Enter or Return to apply the reform. The resultant shape has the same color attributes as the original, so is not immediately visible, but by selecting it with the Direct Select tool once more, allows changes to be made.